Perfect. Yeah, that win just earned its keep right there.
Alright, we got a seat.
That was an awesome ride.
Nice. Way to go, Brian.
Nice.
Lift it.
Philip, you finally got your birthday present.
Hold on, maybe we should use the chain to drag it.
No, we'll drag. Dude, we got 3 dudes. 4 dudes.
No, just drag it like this. Yeah, it'll probably help. Yeah.
Oh, it's a maneuver?
Phil, you're gonna sleep on. Phil, you're gonna sleep on that thing. You wanted it so bad, you're gonna sleep on it. How do you feel about all this, Nina?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's how we do. Yeah.
Congratulations, we all just became men.
Where did you find that?
Under the seat.
All right, back it on in.